E for marketwizards.com and eminywizard.com. Reminding traders to use risk capital you can afford to lose. It's about 9:48, 25th of July, 2019. Remember to use risk capital you can afford to lose. All right, this 575 I just suggested as a target as a GCF. Stops down. I said shake and bake, but no clue whether we've got any bake coming yet. First target, wanted to get to the 14 to 13, paid for sure by 12s. And then the door opened up, we said, to the 10s on the monthly basis. And then potentially the 08, which I didn't think would break this early today, but it has, which is a 20-point target off of the top. And to come back in and double bottom test this 05 from yesterday. Remember that 05 where that took off? We said 05 is the squeeze pivot. So anybody that's into that neck of the woods, this 05, the 06 area, paid for sure if you have been blessed with a trailer. And I say we're searching for support. And this is Taylor Day 3, I thought yesterday, but it turns out it is, when we said maybe we'll get Taylor Day 4. And that's the way it's turned out. This is Taylor Day 4. And the boys have changed the lineup a bit. So a day like yesterday, I was looking for this type of move early, and I said, well, we're not going to fight it. And then target achieved, and we got our immediate profit-taking swing. So now we're going to go back and we're going to look at a couple of the charts in perspective. And here's our 5-minute rain line coming up at us. And this is the first sign that there's been profit taking. So that big target we had identified clearly. Big boys are taking profits. There's no question. And you can see that on the monthly chart. So squeeze pivot 05 being tested. We said if that got beat, we would be looking to the 02s as our next support. And this was our target line that we identified, and we've sold off pretty well from there, really. So that's probably been the best short that we've seen in a long time. 1, 2, 3. Taylor Day 4. Paid for sure. 05s. Yesterday's squeeze pivot. And let's keep an eye over here. This is that 30-minute chart that I said I thought was in play. We can see where the green line comes down and pushes. And then we know that obviously this pink line, the magenta line, is a key. It was just a squeeze pivot. Searching for support. Anybody wants to buy using 02 as your stop? That gets beat. Probably going back to test 98. And I was thinking we would get a two-way day, but this has come out shooting without a lot of resistance built up. So when we do find support, we can get a bounce, but I think the high may be in already for the day. And it's just one of those days that's taking profits. So yesterday's low is the all-important low. Where's our middle for the week? Let's take a look at that too. at 00 and a quarter. 456 trade in process. Normally, you got to fight to get through this line. This one is sliced right through both of them. So I would be very conservative as a buyer. Wait until you see an angel form. We still do not have an angel. So it looks like the boys are going to try to shake out that 05 first. You can see where this has been a knife today, just profit taking, testing that 05. I think the idea is shake it out, but I'm not sure we've got much left in the in the tank to come south side right now. So using 02s, 03s, you've got to use that as a, if that doesn't hold, then I don't know what will. 98s probably the next lows. But I think we need to be paid time and price. It's almost 10 o'clock. Got a couple of gaps too below us, so we could get a really big day, but I wasn't thinking we would. I thought we'd stay inside yesterday's range. So let's take a look at that. So we've come down to the bottom of the pipe from yesterday. Take a look at a 2-day range in a minute. But clearly we had the right target, 25.75. Using stop 02 if you're trying to buy. And paid for sure, short side 05s. Got to be paid 05s.